Hi guys, back in the cabin with a different type of video. I thought you'd like this one, so I have set myself a new task. I am an old school dealer. Most of my purchasing of stock for me to resell is based on long-term relationships with wholesalers, people in charity shops, dealers at the car boots, people I've known for a long time, and that's old-fashioned. And there's a new breed of resellers all over the internet, as you know, that nowadays buy from Vinted sniping, eBay live auctions, which I sell on, or whatnot. And so I've set myself a challenge: 40 items in 4 weeks, 10 items a week by sniping. So what I mean by that is buying something on Vinted as cheap as I can to resell, or whatnot on an auction, or of course eBay live. Now the thing is, when stuff gets delivered, I could do all 40 in one go, like when they're all delivered, but certainly on Vinted, if you don't tell them within 48 hours that there's an issue, then the seller gets their money and I can't return it. So unfortunately, all these videos are going to be a bit discombobulated and sewn together. I'll be in different clothes every day. Might be in my pajamas one morning, pair of shorts another day, you know what I mean. And I'm going to open each item. I can't remember what I've ordered so far because I've ordered a lot. I'm still waiting on a load of deliveries, but I just thought it'd be fun. I'm probably not going to pop anything up on the screen, but I'll tell you what I've paid, and what we'll do is tell you what I think I can sell them for. So I suppose I need to go to, we'll pause it there. Okay, it's a lot easier to find the stuff you've ordered on whatnot on your phone, but I've found it on the computer screen. I don't think I'm logged in on these, so because they're just for photography at the shop or here in the cabin. Anyway, I found them. Let's go through some bits. So the way I kind of work it is I buy loads of items every day. So if I bought 20 items from one person and I spent 100 quid, then the average cost of goods, the ACOG, would be 5. That's the way I work. So, and it's the old-fashioned way of working, and it works really well for me. This was bought off one of these kind of like wholesalers who have become resellers. There's a lot of them on there. There's a lot of them on the internet. I was worried it wasn't genuine, but it definitely is. This was bought for £12.39p. It's a vintage polo longline Mac. Hopefully that's long enough. There's the tag. Little hit on the back, and I'm looking for a care tag, which is down here. I knew it was older, but there is a lot of polo that's faked from this era, so sometimes it's hard to tell. £12.39 on that. It looks in very, very good condition. It doesn't smell either. It's pretty nice. I would guess something like 55 to 70 quid on that. So £12.39 to 55 quid. That's good. I know what this is. So this was, I bought 2 items from one. Oh no, I didn't. I bought them separately. So this one in particular, I did spend up a little bit on this, probably a bit too much. This was £27.39p. More than I would normally spend, but I know why. So this is a Barber Drover jacket, wax jacket, really good condition in fact. Oh no, actually look, we've got a little rip around the collar. That wasn't disclosed. I probably wouldn't have bought it if they'd mentioned that. I probably wouldn't have bought it, but it's okay. Angela will, I'm pretty sure Angela can fix that. It's a bit annoying when you spend £27 on an item that it comes damaged. Again, this was from one of these wholesalers that is basically doing selling all the good stuff themselves nowadays, and there's a lot of them in the UK. Anyway, we tend to buy Barber jackets between £20 and £25 wholesale, whether that be by 100 or 200 items, and the condition is far superior than this stuff we get. The reason I bought this Drover jacket is because if it was in really good condition, it's about £180 jacket. But, oh well, it's part of the fun. I would anticipate that being able to sell for like 45 in that kind of condition. If I get it fixed, it's not going to sell for much more. This one's interesting. I paid £18 and £30.90 for this one. As soon as you see that, you know what it is. I really like this. It looks very good as well. There's a couple of marks. We probably will wash it. I know it for a fact it's around the 1990s period because they were still doing this on the Burberry tags around that era, putting the size underneath. It says 39.5. However, the 90s jackets are massive. I'm a typical extra large bloke and that will fit me. So I think we will run a cycle through it. The reason this is interesting is because it's got this removable collar. That's always missing. That type of feature is always missing. So you're getting 2 collars for the price of 1. The corduroy one is lovely. Once it's had a wash, got a few marks out of it. It is genuine, definitely genuine. Because there's a couple of marks on the arms. There's one on the inside as well. I would anticipate that's maybe £95, £85, somewhere on there. So we've done £18.39, 27 and £12.39, and we've probably got 45, so we're up 80. Should we say 55? So we're doing all right. So far, this new spandangled, super kind of like futuristic way of buying stock, it's not enough for me though. I couldn't be buying 2 items a day. You know, we list 30 a day. But the point is, I'm going to play along. I'm going to do the job. I'm going to see what we can find. If you are buying stock, get some of these. Yeah, I'm going to play along. I anticipate if I can make some kind of data sheet at the end of all this. In fact, I'll write them down now. I'll write down on a piece of paper what we've bought. That'll be good, won't it? Just for the sake of this. Or should I do it on there? Yeah, I'll do it on the spreadsheet so I can copy and paste it. But I'll keep you in the loop and I'll explain everything. I'll tell you out of all 40 items what the value is at the end, how much profit we're making, and yeah, I hope it's going to be a good fun video. Like I say, I'm going to put them all together and keep it as short as possible. All the other videos after this will be a lot shorter, but thanks for watching.